Namaskar. My name is Prahlad Pandey. I help people and organizations realize, maximize and utilize their potential. Today I would discuss about an experiment that was conducted in the Stanford University in the year 1972. Researchers took 32 children whose age was between 3.5 years to 5 years and 8 months. There were 16 boys and 16 girls among these 32 subjects. Each of the subject, a child, was taken to a secret room. In the secret room, they were asked to sit in a particular chair, and in front of them was a table. On the table, 2 plates were placed. In one plate there was a marshmallow. Marshmallow is a kind of sweet, it is a kind of cookie that children like very much. And on another plate there were 2 marshmallows. Now these children, one by one, were asked if they liked the marshmallow. They said yes. They were asked which one of these 2 plates they would like to have. Of course, they said the plate with 2 marshmallows. Then they were asked that there is a condition to take this preferred choice, preferred reward. And the condition for getting the preferred reward, the reward of 2 marshmallow, was that these researchers will go out of the room for a certain period of time, and if the child waited for that period, then the child will be entitled to take these 2 marshmallows. Otherwise, he or she will be entitled to take only 1 marshmallow. So once these children understood the concept, the conditions properly, these researchers placed the plates in front of them and went out. After they returned, they found that some children ate the marshmallow and there were some who did not. But also these 32 boys and girls were divided into 4 groups. In each group there were 8 subjects and there were 4 experiment conditions. In the first condition, the subjects were offered no rewards. That means there was no plate in front of them of marshmallows, so there was neither immediate reward or delayed reward. So there was nothing to distract. They just had to sit there, and if they waited for certain period of time, which was 15 minutes, which was known to the researchers but not to the kids, to the children. So if they waited for 15 minutes, they will be entitled to have 2 marshmallows which were not present in front of them. And if they did not wait for that period, that time span, then they'll be entitled to have 1 marshmallow, and this 1 marshmallow was also not present in front of them. The second condition was that when this experiment was going on, in front of them was 2 plates. Both the rewards were in front of them, the 1 marshmallow plate and the 2 marshmallow plate. In the third condition, there was only 1 plate which was delayed reward. That means 2 marshmallow plates were there. That means if they completed successfully the waiting time, then they will be entitled to these 2 marshmallows. And of course, in the fourth condition, there was only 1 plate in which there was only 1 marshmallow. They found some interesting results. What they had theorized before the experiment was conducted, they thought that in the case when both the marshmallows are present in front of them, their waiting time, their average waiting time will be high, because they'll think that since these 2 marshmallows, 2 options are available in front of them, they'll be able to compare, and they'll be able to resist their temptation for a longer period of time. But once the research was conducted, the experiment was conducted, to their surprise they found that surprisingly, when no reward was present in front of them for their attention, the average waiting time was 11.29 minutes. On the contrary, when both the rewards were present in front of them, both the plates were present in front of them, their average waiting time was only approximately 1 minute. When they found out the success rate, that means how many kids successfully waited the 15-minute time period, surprisingly they found that in the first group there were 8 kids. Out of 8, 6 kids successfully waited the 15-minute time, qualifying time for the delayed reward. But on the other cases, in the case of when both rewards were in front of them, none of the kid waited for 15 minutes of time. In 2 other cases, 2 kids waited in each of the conditions. So the conclusion can be drawn here that when you work on something and if the reward is in front of you, then you tend to distract yourself. But when the reward is not in front of you, when the marshmallows are not in front of you, but still you are waiting, then the success rate is going to be higher. Now I would like to draw your attention towards Indian scripture, Indian wisdom. In Bhagwad Gita, it is said, Karmane vadhikaraste ma phaleshu kadachan ma karmphal hetur bhurma te sangostva karmani. That means when you work, your right is only on your action, not in the results. So Bhagwad Gita clearly says that you never think about the rewards. Just keep the rewards aside. And once you do this, your success rate becomes higher. And the same thing was proven in the research conducted by the Stanford University in the year 1972, which says that the success rate or the average waiting time is approximately 11 times more in the case when the rewards are not present in front of the subjects in comparison to when the rewards are present in front of them. So the success theory is that whenever you are doing something, forget about the rewards, whether this is immediate reward or delayed reward. Just think about the action. There is another observation which researchers found out, that all these boys and girls, when they were waiting, they tried to distract their attention from the reward. Some of them started thinking about something, some of them devised some game while they were sitting and waiting. They designed their own game and they were swinging their legs and hands and they were playing with themselves. Some of them even shut their eyes. Some of them distracted. Instead of looking at the plates, they looked somewhere else. One of the boys even slept for some time. So this is how one can distract oneself from the reward. So once you are waiting for the reward, just don't think of reward at all. Just keep on doing what you are supposed to do without thinking about the reward, and the success is guaranteed. Thank you so much for watching this.